that you were talking shit.
What's up? Welcome to my channel. Are you dead serious right now? Let me fix my crown, my antlers. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I don't think my room is going to be like the way I really want it because my room is not big enough. Eventually when I buy a house, I'll be able to have my room the way I want it, but for now I had to do what I could with what I had, okay, because I'm broke and that's all this rent could afford, period. So I'm gonna show you guys my room. Hopefully you like it, and I will link everything that I can in my bio so that if you want to buy anything that I have and it's still available, you can. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, let's get into this room tour. Okay, so before we start the video or the room tour, I just have to show you my bed slippers. They are so cute. Okay, we can start now. First things first is this stool. So I got this from the thrift store. I only paid like $4 for the actual stool. And then this fabric I got from Michael's, and I probably paid like $7 for it. This was cheap. This is a DIY. If you want to see me do some DIYs, just comment below or let me know that you want to see it, because I have a lot of good ideas. This chest of drawer I got from Walmart. I'll leave the link in my description box. Okay, so I got this from Walmart. This I got from Burlington. So most of the things I have in my room I got from Burlington. This is really cute. This I got from Burlington. It's just a candle. This I got from Burlington. How much was it? I don't have, usually I keep the prices on the items I purchased, but I don't know. This I got at Marshall's, and this is actually broken. I don't know if you can tell, like a piece of it is broken. And when I bought this, the glasses were out, and so they gave me like a huge discount, and all I did was just hot glue the glass pieces back into it. But it's really cute, and who would have thought like this is broken? No one knows. Okay, I just spilled my own tea, but no one knew. So this is my closet. It's a hot ass mess. I have more clothes that I just literally stuffed over there. Yeah, I need to go through my shoes. I have my softbox lights in my closet. This is where I put all my bags, but I'm noticing when you put the hook over your door to hang the bags, it weighs down the door, which eventually like damages the door, and it starts to like chip off the paint off the door. So yeah, like when I go to get a bag, I notice that the paint on my door is chipping because I have too many things here. So I'm just trying to figure out a better place to put these things, but I don't know because I have too much stuff and I have limited space. So this Stay Fabulous pitcher I got from Burlington. I think it was like $10. Okay, this I got from Burlington. How much is it? Hold on, let me see. Okay, it was $16.99. Cute. You can actually put stuff in here. I just don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but Yeah, this was just basically for the aesthetic. This I got from my aunt. She was getting rid of it. She gave me two. So I have one in my room, which is right here, obviously, and the other one in my living room. I don't have enough space to have two side tables or side dressers or whatever. So yeah, and really I want to take this out. I really want to take this out and get the mini to this. But I'm like, am I doing too much? I don't know. So this mirror I got at Burlington. I think it was like $16. This laundry bin I got at Burlington. It probably was like $20. So these I got at Burlington. My mom was like, these are so cute, and she was gonna get them, and I was like, no, I want them. This is my wig and my wig stand. However, I be forgetting that I put this up here, and then I wake up in the middle of the night and I be scared thinking somebody's like coming for me. So I'm gonna need to put this down, okay? Because I definitely thought somebody was in the room a couple of times. So this wall art I got from Burlington. I'm always at Burlington, child. Okay, this I got from Amazon. I'll put the link. These two pillows I got from Burlington. They were both on sale. These curtains I got from Walmart. The rod I got from Walmart. These two boxes I got from Five Below. One has books in it. The other one has my pads. TMI. This dresser I also got from Walmart. I bought the dresser and the chest of drawers separate, but yeah, I also got this from Walmart. So I'm gonna try to link this below also. I like how it has the loops because it makes it easier to like pull. We have my bed. I got my bed off Wayfair. My pillows, regular pillows, I get them from Marshalls or Burlington. Actually this pillowcase I got from Amazon, and the body pillow I got from Amazon. What else? I have another closet. My man's clothes is in there. It looks a hot mess. Men are never organized. Yeah, what I really want to know is, what should I put over my bed? It's bare. I have the Bible there, but I want to put something like nice, like a piece of wall art over my bed. I just don't know what's the perfect one to put that will fit the aesthetic of my room. Okay, honestly, I don't know. 1 minute I get on camera, I'm looking snatched. The next minute, I'm looking like Lizzo. I'm gonna need you guys to comment. I'm gonna need you guys to like. I'm gonna need you guys to tell me if you like what I have and if you have some suggestions. Maybe you thought I wasn't gonna be posting, but I am. Okay. Thank you for clicking on this video, for supporting me, for liking. Glad that you're here. If you saw this video, you stumbled upon greatness.